Hello and welcome. Dharmesh Parekh here. If you are a business owner, entrepreneur, or someone striving for success, I have a question for you. Why are you settling for incremental growth when exponential growth is possible? It is time to challenge that mindset that keeps us playing small and thinking small. Now, let's face it, incremental growth feels safe, right? It's what we have been taught in business. Take small, measured steps. But here is the thing. Small steps only get you the small results. When you are caught in this loop, you start to believe that this is the only way. You think that more hours, more effort, and more of the same eventually lead to the success. And for many, it leads to burnout long before it leads to breakthrough. So think about it. You work hard day in, day out, but at the end of the year, your growth is modest. It's slow. And maybe you are starting to wonder if there is a faster way, smarter way to reach your goals. And here is the truth, there is a better way. You are probably heard of exponential growth before, but maybe it sounds too good to be true. Or you think it's only for the tech giants or unicorn startups. But what if I told you that any small business owner can achieve exponential breakthrough with the right strategy? I'm talking about quantum leaps that double your income, triple your impact, and get you your goal faster than you ever imagined. The key is to learning how to stop thinking in terms of linear progress and start thinking in terms of quantum leaps. It's about doing less, but getting more results and focusing on the right action and strategy. So, let me share this with you. I imagine there is a business owner who's stuck in the same incremental mindset. They were growing 5 to 10% a year, but they were frustrated. They had more potential, but felt like they are running on a treadmill, working harder, but not getting anywhere faster. Through the Quantum Leap workshop, I can completely shift their approach. Instead of focusing on incremental improvements, we can identify bold strategic moves that could double their revenue in just 1 year. And guess what? You can make a breakthrough that can double your income in less than 12 months. And that's the power of exponential growth. It is not just for the special businesses. It is for any business who ready to make a leap. One of the biggest reason people settle for incremental growth is their mindset. You have been conditioned to think small, to believe that steady growth is the only growth. But there is the thing. When you are focused on playing it safe, you are also limiting your potential. What if the real risk is not in taking bold steps? You deserve more than slow and steady growth. You deserve breakthroughs that completely transform your business, your income, and your life. It's time to challenge yourself to think bigger, act bigger, and achieve more. That's exactly what I do in my Quantum Leap workshop. I shift you from the old limiting mindset of incremental growth and empower you with the tools, strategies, and the confidence to achieve exponential breakthroughs. You will discover how to make bold moves that lead to rapid transformative results without burning yourself out. Imagine where you could be if you doubled or even tripled your income in a year. So I will ask you again, why are you settling for incremental growth when exponential breakthroughs are possible? Don't let another year go by where you feel stuck, underperforming, and frustrated. Take bold action, make the leap, and achieve the success you have always known was possible. If you are ready to break through your limitation and start achieving exponential growth, I invite you to click below link and book a call with me. Learn more about Quantum Leap Workshop and let's start making your Quantum Leap together. Book a call and we will have a friendly chat. What's your biggest goal? How can I help you? And what is the next step? So thank you for watching. And remember, incremental growth is just the beginning. Exponential growth are within your reach. So let's make it happen together. Thank you.